It's really windy. Literally, my tablet over there said 10 miles per hour. But there is a severe thunderstorm warning until 7. It's strong. Okay, it's back. I need to show you something. I cleaned all of this out a little bit. Look at our pumpkins. Yeah, guys, I want to show you something with these bugs. Can you see it? That's a flower. Look at my sumac tree. Oh yeah, I forgot. I lost some sumac trees yesterday. It was right one right here. And another one. Hopefully they can both hold on. They're my little babies. There's a snap branch. It's calming down a little, but it was pretty strong. Now I'm being pinched by more bugs. Look at that. It's way stronger. Yeah, look at that tree. And it's kind of strong. It going on. Oh, look at those pretty flowers. Gee. They should cut the outside of the grass. Unless the grass man might. Never know. Oh, I hear an airplane. Yeah, look how beautiful they are. Oh well, I might be calming down. See you when it picks back up. Well, I might catch you in the next video. I was just sitting here waiting for the wind to blow. I'll catch you in the next video when it picks up again. Like and subscribe. Bye.